So when we see a gene, which is a piece of DNA, so a gene consists of a transcriptional region and a regulatory region. So हर जीन में ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल रीजन है जो एक्चुअली ट्रांसक्राइब होकर प्रोटीन बनाएगा, और इसके साथ ही इसमें जो है कुछ हिस्सा है विच इज कॉल्ड रेगुलेटरी रीजन. The regulatory region can be divided into cis-regulatory or cis-acting elements and trans-regulatory or trans-acting elements. The cis-acting regulatory elements are the binding sites of transcription factors, which are the proteins that upon binding with cis-regulatory elements can affect transcription. And this effect may be to enhance or repress. So they may enhance or repress transcription. The cis-acting elements may be divided into following four types, that is promoters, enhancers, silencers and response elements. This is the structure of a promoter. This is the promoter, and this one is enhancer. And if you see the structure of this is whole gene, you can say. So if you see the structure of promoter in prokaryotes, this is transcription region, this green one is whole, this is the promoter. So it has -10 region, -35 region. While in eukaryotes, this is the transcription region and this whole is the promoter, and this promoter contains initiator, Tata box and some other elements like GC box or CAAT box. So this is the structure of promoters. Three classes of promoters can be distinguished on the basis of their relative locations, and these are class 2 promoters, class 1 promoters and class 3 promoters. So class 2 promoters, the promoters recognized by RNA polymerase 2 are called class 2 promoters. These are the most complex and best studied promoters. That's why these are described first. Class 2 promoters can be considered as having two parts: the core promoter and the proximal promoter. The core promoter attracts journal transcription factors and RNA polymerase 2 at a basal level and sets the transcription start site and direction of transcription. So these are the main functions of core promoter. The proximal promoter helps attract journal transcription factors and RNA polymerase and includes promoter elements that can extend from about 37 base pair up to 250 base pairs upstream of the transcription start site. So upstream means upstream the transcriptional region. The core promoter is modular and can contain almost any combination of the following elements. That is, the Tata box is centered at approximately position 228 and has consensus sequence which is TATA, AT, AA, GA. The TF2B recognition elements, which is called BRE, lies just upstream of the Tata box and has the consensus sequence GC, GC, GA, CG, CC. Another element is the initiator, which is centered on the transcription start site, and finally the downstream core element, which is GCE. It has three parts. So here you can see this is the promoter, and here this is Tata, and upstream to Tata is BRE, and almost in the center is initiator, and this is DPE towards the downstream side. Class 1 promoters, we can refer to this promoter in the singular because almost all species have only one kind of gene recognized by polymerase 1, which is the RNA precursor gene. So क्लास 1 प्रोमोटर सिर्फ एक ही प्रोमोटर है, क्योंकि सिर्फ एक ही जीन है जो कि आरएनए पॉलीमरेज 1 से रिकॉग्नाइज होता है, तो इसका मतलब है कि इसका प्रोमोटर भी सिर्फ एक ही है. The promoter has two critical regions, one of which is the core element, also known as the initiator, and it is located at the start of transcription between positions -44 and +20. The other is the upstream promoter element, UPE, which is located between the positions -156 and -107. Class 3 promoters, RNA polymerase 3 transcribes a variety of genes that encode small RNAs. These include the classical class 3 genes, including the 5S rRNA and tRNA genes, and some relatively recently discovered class 3 genes, which include U6 snRNA gene, the 7SL RNA gene, the 7SK RNA gene, and the Epstein-Barr virus EBER2 gene. By contrast, the classical class 3 genes have promoters located entirely within the genes themselves.